Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Palworld a EOC a login error on Game Pass. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open up Game Pass, and then let's say it's here it's a Palworld. Right click on it, go to Manage, then you need to go to Files and then Browse. And once you browse, you need to go to the this path, Palworld. Then you need to click on Content, Pal, binaries, WinGDK, and then you should find palworld WinGDK shipping exe file. And with this file, what you need to do here is to simply right click on it. I have this game on Steam, but you just need to right click on palworld WinGDK shipping exe, and then go to properties, compatibility, and then make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. All right, press apply. Okay, and after you do so, then you need to go back on the game on the Xbox, right click on the Palworld, manage, and then create a desktop shortcut. Right, and once you have a shortcut, then you need to right click on it, and when you play the game, you need to run this program as administrator. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to services, and then you need to just click on one of the tasks here and press X, and then you will see all the Xbox services here. So what you need to do here, you need to right click, go to properties, make sure that startup type is automatic here, and if it's not running, press start and apply the changes, and do with all the tasks here. With Xbox properties, automatic, make sure that is on start. Properties, automatic, if it stopped, start. Okay, and the last one also automatic, and it's running. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here is to clear Palworld's cache files. And to do so, you just need to press Windows and I key, or simply on search, you need to just write run. And you need to write % local update %. And then here you should find pal. And you just need to delete this folder. It's just a cache file, don't worry about that. And then after you do so, also you can verify integrity of the game files. So you need to go to Xbox here. We need to wait for a couple of seconds here. Right click on your Palworld game, manage, and then here should be verify and repair button. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.